my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Enjin coin, friends. What's the price change goes at this time in Enjin coin, what's the current price and what's the change goes at this time and Enjin coin in the cryptocurrency market. So in this video I will show you. Keep watch this video with the end if you are a holder of Enjin coin, and if you are new to my channel, so kindly subscribe now. Abhi's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates, friends. Now let's start the video. First of all, we look the price of Enjin coin. As you can see, the price is about 2.03 USD dollar, and the high price is about, sorry, the change token in the Enjin coin is about 0.141% occurs in the last 1 hour, and the last one change, as you can see, are negative, and the last 1 week change is also a negative. That means that the previous period of the Enjin coin very bad. Only and only fast occur in the Enjin coin in the previous last period, but the last 1 hour now they again start an explosion, friends. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the coin of the last 1 day, friends. As you can see here, friends, that is the last 1 day price prediction. The last 1 day price change occur in the Enjin coin. If we look, the currently change occur in the last 1 day change is about negative 5.77% falls occur in the Enjin coin, friends, and the price is about 2.19 USD dollar is the price of Enjin coin in the last 1 day, friends. If we look the currently price prediction, so as you can see the graph a very badly fast occur in the Enjin coin in the last 1 day, friends. Same like that, a lot of cryptocurrencies fall down in the last 1 day, friends, as you can see here, and the last 1 day period they take a jump for a little time, but after a jump again fast down, same like that, as you can see here. And now as you can see here, the last 1 hour, as I show you in the start of this video, that the last 1 hour chain is in a positive, and now they again take a jump, but after this jump again they fall down. So it's a falling period of every cryptocurrency's fall. If we look the price prediction market of the at this time frame, so as you can see here, a lot of every cryptocurrency change is negative. XRP paper coin falls down, Cardano falls down, Dogecoin falls down, Chainlink falls down, VeChain falls down, Ethereum falls down, Filecoin falls down, Cheetah falls down, falls down, Bitcoin, XEM, Holochain, Chalice, Hitara, Hillcrop, Enjin coins, Leica, Gigabyte, Sia coin, Decentraland, a lot of cryptocurrencies only and only falls occur in these coin, friends. As you can see here, friends, that is why same like that cryptocurrencies falls down occurs in a Enjin coin, friends. Only and only falls occur in the previous last 1 period. So please don't ignore, don't worry about this change. That is a temporary fast half every cryptocurrency at this time, friends. Don't worry and hold your Enjin coin with the last half this month. A big explosion, a big jump of Enjin coin are coming soon. Wait for it. Thank you so much for watching this.